In this short video, I want to show you how to put in your posts in the discussion forums. The screen you see is the home page for our course in the student view. You should see something that looks exactly like this when you start. When you begin, you're going to scroll towards the bottom of the page. You will see 4 different icons in the center of the page. You will need to look at the instructor information here on the left before getting started. Then you will need to click on the Before Getting Started icon to make sure your computer is ready to go. Then you will need to read through the course syllabus because there is a syllabus quiz that you need to complete to stay in the course. Finally, you will click on Learning Modules, and it will take you to each piece of the course one at a time. In order to demonstrate just how to participate in the discussion forums, we're going to scroll to the side, and I'm going to click on Modules. Remember, however, when starting the course, to click on the Learning Modules from the home page here in the center so that you can go through the course the way it is designed to be followed. Scrolling to the side, I can access an overview of the modules by clicking on Modules. While we're looking at this, you can see that there is a module for proctored exams, a welcome module which says Start Here, and if I click on the triangle, it will close it. There are 6 modules and 1 additional module I've added of my information to help you through the course. You will start with the welcome module where it says Start Here. You will go through each of these pages one at a time. This video is focused on how to enter your posts in the discussion forum. To do that, let's go to the first discussion forum post in the Welcome Start Here module. If you scroll down, you will see that there is something with the discussion board icon on the left, which looks like 2 comment or conversation bubbles. It's titled Welcome Self-Introduction. Click on this. Once you get to this page, you will see a description of what you need to do here. This is where you will introduce yourself to your classmates. You will want to write something about yourself to do that. To do that, you need to scroll down and click in the reply box directly below the green box saying subscribed. Yours will probably say unsubscribed because you have not yet asked it to send you email messages. Click here in the reply box. When you have clicked in this box, you're going to put in something about yourself. Be sure to let us know something about your hobbies, your interests, your major, what you hope to do for your career, and those kinds of things. I'm also interested in any books or favorite authors you have to recommend. Then, after you've completed your post, you'll click on Post Reply. Let's put something in here. Hello, I'm your professor. Now I'm going to click on Post Reply. After you've clicked on Post Reply, you will be able to see different posts. Here at the top, you will see the post that I created about myself so that you can get to know me a little bit better. If you want to respond to something in my particular post or in one of your classmates' posts about what they wrote about themselves, don't click on the box that says reply at the top. Instead, you will want to click on the small reply icon below that particular post. This will enable you to create a threaded discussion post that will allow you to respond directly to what that person said. As in, hey, I'm from Texas too. Again, you will need to click on Post Reply. Once you've completed your reply to someone else's post, you will see the threaded post where they're connected together. Notice that there's no break between the posts. That means the posts are connected. If they're not connected and they were made from the top one, where the reply box is, there will be a separation between the boxes. And you can see I have some test posts here. Now let's take a look at the posts you're going to use when you post problems from the homework. We will again scroll to the top and find the modules section on the left-hand side. After clicking on the modules section, I will go to the modules overview page. The first post that you're going to have where you need to post a worked out problem from the homework is in Module 1. I'll click on the overview for Module 1. The first discussion board in Module 1 is Assignment 1B. In each discussion board module, you have to post 2 original homework problems. That means your actual written out solutions. Each module discussion tells you exactly what to do and where to do it. In this particular discussion, you will need to post 1 problem from sections 2.1 or 2.2 and 1 problem from sections 2.3, 2.4, or 2.5. That means only 2 problems get posted, not 1 from each section. Again, post only 1 problem from 2.1 or 2.2, but not both, and 1 from 2.3, 2.4, or 2.5, but not all 3. In these particular discussions, because you have to post twice, but it's only 1 discussion forum, I have created the first post for each one. When you want to post for discussion module 1 and you want to post a problem from 2.1 or 2.2, come to the one that I've posted that says Post 1 and click on the small reply icon at the bottom. You will post your original work here. So when you click on that, it will connect it to my post that says Post 1. For your very first line, you need to input the chapter, the section, and the problem number. Let's say you're working from chapter 2 and you're working section number 1 and you're posting problem 15. Your first line in your post should be 2.1.15. That way, everyone can look at the first line and know exactly which problem you're working. If you don't post what problem you're working, I will not be able to grade it, and I'll be sending you a message that says, please go back and add in what problem you worked. After this, you can choose to upload an image, or you can attach a file that will show what your problem worked out looks like. There is also a text editor in here that you can use, and there is a rudimentary way of entering problems, but I don't exactly like it very much, so I don't necessarily recommend it. This is the math equation editor, which looks like the square root of x. Personally, I think most students prefer to take an image of their work and post it as an image, or to attach a file, or to include a URL to their Google Docs page where they can show me what the work looks like. After you've completed your original work, you'll click on Post Reply. After you've posted your original work, scroll through the other connected works for Post 1 from section 2.1 or 2.2 and comment on the work of 2 other students. For Post 2, these should be from sections 2.3, 2.4, or 2.5, but again, only one problem, not all 3. When you're ready to post one, click on the small reply icon at the bottom of my post. In this way, we can keep separated the problems that are from sections 2.1 or 2.2 by having them all connected to my original post, and the problems from 2.3, 2.4, or 2.5 by connecting them to my post 2. If you're interested in finding a particular problem, you will also be able to come up here to the search box and type in a particular problem. For example, you could put in 2.1.15 and see if anyone has written a solution for 2.1.15. Great. This concludes this video. I hope this has been helpful, and I hope that you will enjoy the course.